Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So we're very close to see a move from Luna Classic finally, and yeah, a lot of things are telling me that, you know what, Luna Classic is probably ready to do something pretty massive right now, and you have some time until 13 January. So two more days. 2 more days is actually Saturday. I don't know. I don't really like weekends because weekends are not very pumpy, isn't it? So yeah, the fact that this decision is coming by Saturday is not really good to me, but who knows? I could be totally wrong. There's that 30% chances where things actually get good, and it can actually get good. You see, this is a whole damn blood all the way down here, and you also have your divergences, which is climbing up as well. So I do have some good feelings, though. I do have good feelings, of course, that, you know what, we could actually be looking at Luna Classic to try to jump up. Now, one thing is you are trying to get to break above, but this is not a very good break. You can see that it's still very weak. You don't have like a massive break up here, which is really needed right now. Next thing is there's this trend line as well that still is not quite broken, but is actually getting broken right there. So you can see that the break is not very clear. I don't really like this break. It's kind of a shady break, and you can actually start to see this coming down again to 12,089 if you're not going to break. But yes, here's the thing. If you start to break for good and you make it to 13,463, I can actually see this coming back up to at least 14,346 in the short term for Luna Classic. And I have that feeling that it's going to break above. I kind of have the feeling that the break should happen to the upside, because at least for now people are kind of bearish with it. It's actually way too down, and it doesn't really make a lot of sense to continue even way more lower. I mean, they can just have a break, and as a matter of fact, here it is. This was your previous support where you started pumping, and then you made a fake out, you came back up, and that's the same place you're holding support as well. So this is pretty good, right? This is still very good at the moment. Now, as long as you don't really come down to, let's say, 11,097, I think this is pretty good to go back up. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.